Section 4.2, solving systems of equations by the substitution method or the addition method. For the next three examples, we can use whichever method we want. For example, A, we're going to use the addition method. Why? Because my y's have opposite signs. So remember, our goal when solving a system of equations by the addition method is to eliminate a variable when adding the equations. So we need to multiply by a non-zero factor. We're going to multiply the first equation by 11, which comes from here, and the second equation by 3, which comes from here. Let's go ahead and distribute that. 11 times 4x is 44x, plus 11 times 3y is 33y, and 26 times 11 is 286. And then the other one, 3 times 3x, 9x, 3 times negative 11y, negative 33y, equals to negative 7 times 3, negative 21. And then we can go ahead and add the equations. So 44x plus 9x, that's going to be 53x. 33y minus 33y, they cancel. That's 0. And 286 minus 21, it's 265. We need to solve for x, so divide both sides by 53. So x equals to 5. Okay. So now that we found the value of x, we can go ahead and plug it in either of my original equations. I'm going to use the first one. So we have 4x plus 3y equals to 26. So 4 times x, but we know the value of x is 5. So 4 times 5 plus 3y equals to 26. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 20 plus 3y equals to 26. Subtract 20 on both sides. That's going to be 3y equals to 6. Divide both sides by 3. So y equals to 2. So we found the value of y. So my solution is going to be 5, 2. For example, B, we have 3x minus 6y equals negative 9 and y equals 2x plus 3. Notice that on my second equation, one of my variables is already solved for. So we're going to use a substitution method. So we're going to use the first equation, 3x minus 6. But instead of y, we're going to plug in this value. So 2x plus 3 equals to negative 9. So we have 3x. We distribute the negative 6. Negative 6 times 2x is negative 12x. Negative 6 times 3 is negative 18 equals to negative 9. We combine like terms. 3x minus 12x is negative 9x minus 18 equals negative 9. Now we solve for x. So we add 18 on both sides. So we have negative 9x equals to positive 9. Divide both sides by negative 9. So x equals to negative 1. Now that we found the value of x, we can plug it in any of the original equations and find the value of y. I'm going to use the second one. So y equals to 2x plus 3. So y equals to 2. We know the value of x is negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 plus 3. So y equals to 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 3. Y equals to 1. So my solution, remember, is an ordered pair. So my solution is going to be negative 1, 1. For example, C, we have 2x minus 4y equals negative 10 and negative x plus 2y equals to 5. If you notice, our x's, they have opposite signs. So if I multiply the second equation by a positive 2, the first equation and the second equation, my x's are going to be opposites. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to multiply the second equation by positive 2. Okay, so nothing happened to the first equation. We're going to write it exactly the same. So we have 2x minus 4y equals to negative 10. And then we distribute that positive 2. 2 times negative 2x, negative 2x. 2 times positive 4y plus 4y equals to 5 times 2, 10. Then we add our equations. 2x minus 2x, that's 0. Negative 4y plus 4y, that's 0. So we have 0 equal to negative 10 plus 10. That's also 0. Let's check our statement. 0 equal to 0? Yes. Since this is a true statement, this is going to be infinite many solutions. Infinite many solutions.